Hey guys, coming at you live from Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're at our Airbnb, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to save money on an Airbnb. Basically, it's using this, the Target RedCard. I'm not going to talk a lot about how to get this card, but I'll put a link in the video how to, some of the better videos on how to apply for it and get that credit. But it's a great deal, and basically, we've been nomadic for a couple of years, and we travel and stay in Airbnb properties. We stay in Armed Forces Vacation Club properties, and then we stay in hotels. And depending on which one gives us the best price and whatever amenities we're looking for, we'll probably stay at Airbnbs a couple of hundred nights a year. And when you stay at an Airbnb that much, you're going to rack up, tens of thousands of dollars of charges every year. So any money you can save while you're on the road will definitely, it's money you can use on anything else besides your housing. So let's get started, and I'll tell you how to save money with this red card. Now, I'm not going to talk about, there's a lot of videos out there, and it says how to save 50% or how to save 40% on an Airbnb. And basically, we've learned that lesson over the last couple of years, and the secret there is stay in there longer. And if you're traveling, if you're a digital nomad, you can stay for a month. A month is usually like the sweet spot. You can save money if you stay there 7 nights, but if you stay there 30, you typically can find an outstanding deal to save you up to 50%. Some people give huge discounts because they don't have to do all the cleaning and everything. So, that being said, let's get into the Target RedCard. Okay, so you want to go over to target.com, and you have to have an account and you have to be logged in. You just go right here and you search for Airbnb gift cards. Basically, you can buy anywhere from $50 to $500 and just say add to cart. And we really don't do mail, so email, and then like I said, the value is between $50 and $500. We're going to do 500, and I'm going to add that to the cart. View cart and checkout. And you see right here, there's a discount for $25. Delivery's free. So right here, instead of paying $500 for an Airbnb, you're paying $475. So just hit checkout. You're going to pay for it with the red card. You have to pay for it with the red card to get the discount, or you pay $500. Place the order. And sometimes you have to reconfirm. I think we have it set up that you have to repunch in your number. And then hit confirm and pay. And it is as simple as that. So unfortunately, I don't have an Airbnb to pay for right now. We are headed to Merida, Mexico in about a week and a half, and I think we have a payment that we are going to be making in the next couple of weeks. So I will make another video on how to do that final step where you pay Airbnb with the Target RedCard gift card. But bottom line, it's a great deal, especially if you use Airbnb a lot. And we do, and we save between $1,000 and $2,000 a year by doing this simple hack. So if you have any comments, please put them, and I'll try to answer any questions you have. And thank you for watching this video. If you get a chance, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.